Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Kushi Rathod. Today is the third day of the presentation. This is the table of content which I discuss. First start with the introduction of the Jayant Mahapatra. He was born in Cuttack, Odisha. He was complete his master in physics from Patna University. His career began in lecture in physics and taught at various government college in Odisha. He started writing in late 1916th century. He's faced many rejection from publisher until his poem were published in international literary journals. He published a book for prose include Green Garden. His literary achievement: first Indian poet win the Sahitya Akademi Award for English poetry. Second Padma Shri in 2009, but written in 2015 to protest against rising intolerance in India. Third authored notable poem like Indian Summer and Hunger, considered as a classic in modern Indian English literature. He wrote 27 books of poetry, 7 in Odia, and the rest in English. His legacy: Odisha Chief Minister Navin Patnaik described him as a genius in both English and Odia literature. He is known for vivid imagery of daily life, specially drawn from Cuttack, reflecting in the essence of Odia life. He was died in 95 age. His funeral was scheduled for August 28, 2025 with full state honors as announced by Odisha Chief Minister Navin Patnaik. Jayant Mahapatra's poetry: themes of Indianness. First, spirituality, integration of religious and spiritual symbol. Mahapatra's poems with religious imagery, Hindu culture, despite his Christian upbringing. His poems in see the temples, rituals, worship symbolize Indian spiritual essence. His poem Dawn at the Puri explore the spiritual atmosphere of the Jagannath temple in Puri, juxtaposition religious devotion with the social reality. I taken from information John Oliver. In detail, Dawn at Puri. The poem Dawn at Puri talk about the Jagannath temple in Odisha, religious imagery. First, the temple is Jagannath, religious. Second is a white cloud window to represent the devotion, loss of worthy attachment. The mother's desire, crimination of Puri highlight Hindu rituals, belief about the afterlife. Second, spiritual reflection. Crows, lepers, and holy school juxtapose to see the spiritual reflection. This imaginary explore the fragility of life and faith, morality and human vulnerability, themes of doubt and faith. Doubt and faith between contrast. Distinction of lepers question the true meaning of the faith. Down like both the fragile and transient mirror instability of faith. Interplay of personal and cultural spirituality. The poet Christian sensibility intervened the Hindu rituals. A combined personal reflection with border, spiritual and cultural symbols, bringing individual and collective expression of faith. In the poem, talk about the poet, the spirituality in the Jagannath Puri at Odisha. Morning, dawn at the Puri, meaning the morning. Second, societal dynamics, critique of poverty and social injustice. Jayant Mahapatra's poem Hunger highlights the stark inequalities and poverty. Direct portrayal of poverty. The poem published in 1976 in fourth stanza talk about the child sex traits and desire. The poem Poor Fisherman and forced by starvation to turn his young daughter into prostitute. Um, uh, Fishermen to speak the white bones and the wormy legs to see the how the lustfulness. The setting is described in Gopalpur on sea. Social power dynamic. In the poem to show explosion in male-dominated society, patriarchal society, portray dual existence, woman both idealist and degrade. The poem is how poverty, brutality, sexual relationship. In the poem to see how the fisherman's background is poverty, powerlessness, both the father and daughter in face economical necessity, moral complexity. The father role shift between paternal protector and others. Poverty corrupt family relationship. The narrative show absence moral contrast in our poet treatment of the similarity themes. The poem based on the true incidents in social realism, multiple levels of hunger. In the poem explore three different levels. First, physical hunger. Second, sexual hunger. And third, the deeper societal hunger that creates such situation. Third, victim portrait. The daughter is shown mechanical participating. Her young age is 15, emphasize the exploitation. In the poem to see how the poverty to his father to his daughter to become a prostitute. Third, in societal dynamic. Three, inner conflict in tradition and modernity. Mahapatra's poem grandfather to see how the tradition and modernity shift to cultural displacement. Grandfather. Uh, his grandfather Chintamani's conversion to Christianity during the famine in 1866. Conversion was the tactic highlighting the desperation caused in poverty and hunger. In the poem to see how the dual identity, Christianity is the birth, and but culturally is the Hindu tradition, struggle with the Hindu society, express the regret and alienation, feel the deep sense of the exile and cultural subversion, integration, intergenerational reflection, contrast the poet present and past, discuss the legacy of the with son, reflecting the history of impact and identity, symbolism, uh, unrest, inner conflict, stark imaginary, philosophical undertone. Explore the theme spiritual emptiness and burden, ancestral decision, tone and mood, melancholy and introspective to see in the poem, quest for the recolonization, reflect the border poetic quest and identity and belonging, both the three all the poems in references in clickable to see the whole the poem. Conclusion. Jayant Mahapatra's poetry reflect the Indian identity and culture through the themes of the spirituality, social injustice and intergenerational conflict. Poems down in the Puri to see in the spiritual thoughts, grandfather to the poem in the so see the religion and the modernity, and third poem, hunger, to see how the poverty became to lust, and societal phases. This is my references. Thank you. If any question, you ask me.
So, Kushi, in your presentation, as you mentioned the theme, so can you suggest any other competitive themes in the other Indian poets?
Yes, sir. Nizam Ethical's poem Night of the Subconscious thing. Second, the Kamala Das, the introduction. And third, Torudat's poem.
Kushi, my question is, would you like ideas for exploring related cultural critique in literature?
Yes, sir. I like the idea exploring related culture critique in literature. That is in the society to see the how the problems in face in society and awareness. God of the small things, Arundhati Roy, to see how the family and social religions problem. Second, the Arkanarayan verse is a modern themes, and the third, Toruda's poems in the identity related poems to see the, how the in the society to face these many problems. Thank you.